What is 11% of 250? Well, there's lots of ways to do this, but 11% of, let's just write it out, 11% of 250. 11% as a fraction is 11 hundredths. Of is times, and then you've got 250, so it's 11 hundredths of 250. So basically, if you divide 250 by 100, you get 2.5, don't you? Just move the decimal place over twice to get 2.5. And then it's 11 times 2.5. And you can work that out in multiplication in the traditional way, or you can just do 10 2s. 10 2.5s is 25. So that's 10 of them. 10 of these is 25, of course, because you move the decimal point over one place when you times by 10. And then one more of these, so it's just another 2.5. 2.5. And that adds up to 27.5. If you're doing it just by inspection here, 11% of 250, well, you know that 10% of 250, a tenth or 10% of that, will be just 25, won't it? Divide 250 by 10 and you get 10%. 1%, because that's 1%, will be a tenth of this, a tenth of 10%, so that'll be 2.5. So this corresponds to 10%, and this would correspond to 1%. And when you add them, of course, those two amounts, you get 11% in total, which is 27.5. So you can do it in your head, or you can do it just writing it down here and working it out in that way. So there's lots of different ways of doing this particular problem.